might have hit the biggest lick of the year. I think I hit the biggest lick of the year. I bought my dream car yesterday. Put the 5-figure down payment on my credit card. I don't recommend doing if you don't have the money to pay it off immediately. And I mean with the quick. But I got 3 times the points from that purchase, which basically equates to a couple of domestic trips or an international trip. And no, I didn't have to pay the transaction fee, or I wouldn't have done it. And the most unserious part about the entire thing is I literally got this idea off of Reddit. A huge ChatGPT girl. I be getting some of the best life advice off of some of the Reddit threads. So highly recommend. Go check it out. But yeah, I guess the message is if you need some sound advice from real people, don't sleep on the aunties and uncles on Reddit.